Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I'm going to bring you a haul of items I found at my local Dollar Tree and Target that have to do with miscellaneous home management and other activities. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you are some method cleaners that I got. This big bottle is a refill on the daily shower spray. It works really well. We used to get a lot of soap scum buildup on the glass, and I spray this on there. It also helps keep down mold and mildew. I think it has tea tree oil in it. And then I got a few of these antibacterial sprays. This one is green. It's the bamboo scent. This is for my daughter's bathroom, which is green. They picked the color. And then I got a couple yellow ones I thought we could use in our bathroom and the kitchen, maybe when we want to disinfect. And then I also got this clementine all-purpose cleaner. I thought this would smell really nice in the kitchen. Then I did pick up some Burt's Bees lip balm. I've never tried this before. They had a value pack of 4, I think it was $6 or something like that. When I bought the method cleaners, they were having a special where if you spent, I think it was $15, you got a $5 gift card back from Target. So that's when I purchased those cleaners. And now we'll move on to some items from the Dollar Tree. I think it's okay, it's safe to show these because I am planning on posting this video after Mother's Day, but I did get 3 Mother's Day cards. One of them I'm going to give to my mother-in-law. One of them I am going to give to a friend of mine who's a mother, and the other one I think I'm going to send to my sister-in-law. So there's those. And then I got some items for a very special purpose. And I'm not going to tell you what that is in this video because I'm going to do another video where I tell you. But the rest of these items are all from Dollar Tree, so I will show you. So I got a little mini travel toothbrush and toothpaste. Some hand sanitizer. Nail clipper and file. Some lip balm. A little mini first aid kit. It has bandages in it and antiseptic towelettes and this carrying case. A rain poncho. It says it's reusable, but I don't know how thick it is. And let's see, some little travel tissues and a pen. And then this set of 3 microfiber cloths. So that's it for my quick haul. I hope I've piqued your interest in what I'm going to use those for. If you like this video and like to see more like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the link down below. I post content several times a week on how to creatively decorate and manage your home. Thanks for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.